Today I'm going to be demonstrating how to change a wax guard on a hearing aid that has an ear mold. So what we're looking at here, we have this ear mold on the hearing aid. The wax guard is this small white tip in the center. In order to change that, you're going to have a white envelope. Yours may say no wax or it may say pro wax. The process is the same, but when you open those envelopes, your tabs may either be blue or gray, depending on what type of wax guard you have. Again, the process is exactly the same. What we're going to do in order to change this is we're going to take one of these tabs and pull it out of the wheel, like so. On here, you will see that there's an empty peg to remove the existing filter, and then a new white cap to put in its place. So in order to change this, we're going to take our hearing aid and we're going to put the empty peg in to remove the existing one, just like so. Go ahead and pull that out. You'll see that the old filter came out. We now just have an empty hole on the tip of the hearing aid. Then we're going to go ahead and hold the tip of the hearing aid again and put the new filter in. If you're ever unsure which one is the new filter, it is marked by a little braille dot right there. It's also wider and longer on the peg. So we're going to go ahead and place that into the tip of the ear mold, again, like so, making sure you go straight in, and then remove the tool. The filter will have stayed in place right in the tip of the hearing aid. And that is how you change a wax guard when your hearing aid has an ear mold attached.